master bedroom. Let's see, our kitchen, our big backyard deck,
Well,
our nice.
Yeah, our kitchen, but the oven is kind of messed up. But still, though.
The yard, the backyard, which I think is pretty spacious. I love it. The garage. The Princess Palace, aka Purple Room. The huge playroom that the boys have.
Indoor plumbing. Indoor plumbing.
Walls. Electricity.
I'm trying to think of everything.
Space.
AC. Heat.
Yeah. Just like city water.
Yeah.
I mean, we're out of city limits, but it's still city water.
Smart refrigerator.
That is correct. We are stemming down to the bare